Hello, welcome to this series of micro lectures about entrepreneurship. My name is Bernd Ebersberger and I teach innovation and entrepreneurship here at the Management Center Innsbruck. In the sequence of these 5 micro lectures, we will talk about entrepreneurship and innovation, about some myths that you might have about entrepreneurship as a team sport, about failure, and about a roadmap leading you to your successful start of your new business. After watching this micro lecture series, you will be able to define entrepreneurship and innovation. You will know some of the characteristics of successful entrepreneurs. You will understand that entrepreneurship is a team sport. You will be aware of the fact that failure is always an option here, and you will know the steps it takes to start your own business. I hope you find that useful and that this helps you to start your own business successfully. All the best.